Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a hearing aid vacuum cleaner, and you can use this to do what I call a tune-up on your hearing aids, so that you don't have to go to the audiologist and have them cleaned. You may have done that, and you may realize how good they sound after you've had them cleaned. Well, you can use this to do pretty much the same thing. I got this from a company called Serene Innovations. Serene Innovations in Norwalk, California, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Here we go. I've already done the hearing aids that I've got in my ears right now, and I have two pair actually. So I'm going to show you how to clean these. Now it comes with a brush. This is a tip with a very tiny point, and this is a different tip. I think it's for a different kind of hearing aid. I'm not sure it works for the ones I am going to clean. It might, but maybe I just haven't figured that out yet. Also, I use a dental pick to get into some of the little areas. It's battery operated. Just switch is right on the end, and that little button there is how you open it up. Put the batteries in. 4 AA's. On and off. So what you want to do first with these type of hearing aids, take the batteries out, of course, and you're going to take, what I like to do is set them up side by side. It's like that, so they're like a mirror image of each other. Let me make sure that I'm still in the frame here. Okay, that's a little better. And then I do one at a time, because sometimes this has like a little sport clip or thing that helps hold them on if you're doing an activity. And sometimes it's kind of hard to figure out how to get them back on. So these are your domes. Just squeeze it, pull off, whoop, there you go. Pull off your dome like that. Now this is a little very fine filter to prevent debris from getting down into the part of the hearing aid that goes into your ear. So let's take this piece off. That's the sport clip. Now they do have some replacements for these, and I'm going to show you one of those right now. Now these come in different sizes, so you have to get the right size for your hearing aid. And there's a little, there's a little tab that will allow you to take the old one out and put the new one in. So it has a little tip. There. It's pretty delicate, so if you're not good with your hands, you might need to have your audiologist do this. There, I got it out. Okay? Now, here's the trick. I use this to clean down that hole right there, because even though you've got that screen on it, you might very well have some little particle that got past that screen. So I just kind of dab it on there like that, and you may want to take a flashlight and look down in there. to make sure that it's clear. Now I'm going to get a flashlight. So I like to just use bathroom tissue. Here's the flashlight. I looked down the hole and this device was able to suck out any little particle bits. But you still need to wipe the outside with a tissue. You can also use this brush that is provided to brush it all off. Now make sure you've got that nice and clean. Now, the other thing is you want to take your tissue and go through the sports clip. So I just mash it up like that, and this is one of the places where I use the dental pick, and I just shove that through there like that, and then pull it out. Now I've got that all clear. Now for the dome, you want to replace the dome periodically. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you can buy the domes also and put new domes in yourself. You can buy them from your audiologist or get them on online on the internet. So here's a new one here. First I have to put the new white screen back in there. Let me just check this. And that's the new one. It's going to go on. It will usually, there, it'll snap in like that. A very gentle snap, okay? Then, here's why I got them lined up. So that I can get this sports clip back on the right way. So it will go, that goes down, that goes up. I would say it's going to go like that. Push that down there. There. See how they look the same now. And then the new dome goes on there. This can be tricky. Let's see if I get lucky. Always pull like that to make sure that you've got it on there. It snaps on, otherwise it could come out in your ear, right? So there, I'm done, and I've done what the audiologist does. You don't have to make an appointment, you don't have to drive there. If you're good with your hands, you can do all this. Now you can also use this to clean inside where the battery goes. Okay, get that nice and clean, and put in a new battery, and you're done. Let's get a battery and put it in there. So, new battery. They say you should let this just sit out in the air for a minute or so before you put it in. So we'll do that. I don't know if you can hear the little jingle it makes. But anyway, there, you're all done. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And if you want notifications, check off the little bell that's next to the subscribe button and you'll get notifications when I put up a new video. So there you have it. I like it. Hearing aid vacuum cleaner from Serene Innovations. I will put a link on the comment section to Amazon. You can buy these off Amazon, I believe. Okay, see you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye. One last thing that I wanted to mention. There is a filter inside here, right there. Then they give you an extra one too, and that's to obviously filter things so it doesn't get into the fan or the motor in there. And that just presses on and off. It's got an O-ring in there, very nicely made. And I'll bet you could probably wash that with warm soap and water, let it dry thoroughly. It looks like just an open cell foam, so probably lasts a long time. I don't think you have to clean it very often. So one last little thing, I wanted to show you that. Okay? See you later. Froggy out.